Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have my Ford F-150 97 4.2 liter 6-cylinder. I'm gonna be changing the brakes, which is the one that I got off of the Rock Auto Bendix, and I already changed the front one, the left hand side, and I figured that I'm gonna show you guys how to do this one, which is pretty easy job. I imagine most of the Fords are like this. Most of the pretty much most of the cars nowadays are done like this. So I'm gonna put you now on the stand. The tools you're gonna need are just minimalistic, just a few things here and there, and as I go I'll show you how to do it. All right, so let's do this. All right, first thing first, take off the wheel. 19 millimeter. Set it aside. All right, right here. Let me show you that. So this is your caliper, right? Oh, will it focus? Okay, this is your caliper. You do not have to remove the whole caliper in order to remove the brakes. I mean the pads. So you have this 13 millimeter right here, and this 13 millimeter right there. So that's what we're gonna be removing, and then we're gonna remove front part of the caliper, and we're gonna proceed to remove the brake pads. Like I said, that's a 13 mil, so you're gonna loosen it. There we go. You can all right. Pretty easy. Putting the new ones. Actually, let's replace these. Full hardware for the brakes. Put the new one on. Just clips on there. Another one for the top. Clips on there. All right, now the brake pads. One in there, second one. So that's it, guys. See how that goes? Pretty easy, pretty simple. Just lay it in there, all tight. Now right here, this caliper has a little piece of metal right there. See it? Right there. We're gonna remove that right now. go. And we're gonna pop the new one in. Go. Next thing. All right. So now we got these compressed. The pads are in there, and now we're gonna put them on. It should go on there very easy. Alrighty. Ready for the first bolt. Alright, that's the first one. Next one, the bottom. Alright, tighten it by hand. Alright. Okay. There you go, guys. Done. Like I said, not much. It's not hard. Now we're gonna go and test drive it and all that. But like I said, it's pretty easy thing to do. All right. There you go. All done, guys. I forgot to mention, in order to pop those pistons in, you open the brake fluid container. That way it pushes it out a little bit. It shouldn't leak out, so you should be fine with that. Like I said, pretty easy thing to do. You can do it at home, not that many tools. You need 13mm for the bolt, you need a screwdriver, you need a Nipex pliers, and of course 19mm for the tire. Again, everybody can do it. Pretty simple thing. Okay, now important thing that I forgot about is whenever you're doing the brake jobs, make sure you wear gloves, guys. Make sure you protect yourself, and also try not to inhale all that dust and all that. For now, that's it, guys. Of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.